FAQs about Neoregelia fireball. Neoregelia fireball is a striking and popular bromeliad that adds a splash of vibrant color to any space. Its unique appearance and ease of care make it a favorite among plant enthusiasts. If you're considering adding this plant to your collection or already have one, you might have some questions about how to care for it. Here are some frequently asked questions about Neoregelia fireball, including how to grow and propagate it. What is Neoregelia fireball? Neoregelia fireball is a type of bromeliad known for its compact size and fiery red foliage. Native to Brazil, this plant is part of the Bromeliaceae family, which is renowned for its rosette-shaped leaves and striking appearance. The leaves of Neoregelia fireball typically have a reddish hue with green edges, giving it a vibrant, eye-catching look. How to grow Neoregelia fireball. Growing Neoregelia fireball is relatively straightforward, making it a great choice for both beginners and experienced gardeners. Here are some tips to ensure your plant thrives. Light. Neoregelia fireball prefers bright, indirect light. Too much direct sunlight can scorch its leaves, while too little light can result in poor growth and diminished color. A spot with filtered sunlight or near a bright window is ideal. Water. This plant requires regular watering, but be cautious not to overwater. Allow the top inch of soil to dry out between waterings. It's important to water the central rosette of the plant, as bromeliads are adapted to gather water from their leaves in the wild. Humidity. Neoregelia fireball thrives in higher humidity. If you live in a dry climate, consider placing a humidity tray under the plant or using a room humidifier to maintain the moisture levels it needs. Temperature. This bromeliad does well in temperatures ranging from 65 degrees Fahrenheit to 80 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. Protect it from frost and extreme temperature fluctuations. Soil. Use a well-draining potting mix, such as one designed for orchids, or a mix of peat, pine bark, and perlite. Good drainage is crucial to prevent root rot. How to care for Neoregelia fireball. Proper care is essential to keep Neoregelia fireball healthy and vibrant. Here's a brief guide on caring for your plant. Fertilization. Feed your Neoregelia fireball with a diluted, balanced liquid fertilizer every 6 to 8 weeks during the growing season, spring and summer. Avoid over-fertilizing, as this can harm the plant. Pruning. Remove any dead or damaged leaves at the base of the plant to encourage new growth and maintain its appearance. Pests and diseases. Neoregelia fireball is generally pest-resistant, but keep an eye out for common issues like mealybugs or scale. If you notice pests, treat them promptly with insecticidal soap or neem oil. How to propagate Neoregelia fireball. Propagation of Neoregelia fireball is done through offsets, or pups, which grow from the base of the parent plant. Here's how to propagate. Wait for pups. Once the parent plant has flowered and produced pups, wait until the pups are about 1/3 the size of the parent before removing them. This usually occurs several months after flowering. Remove pups. Gently separate the pups from the parent plant using a clean, sharp knife. Make sure each pup has some roots attached. Pot the pups. Plant the pups in individual pots with a well-draining potting mix. Water them lightly and keep them in a warm, humid environment until they establish themselves. Care for new plants. Treat the new plants as you would a mature Neoregelia fireball, providing them with bright, indirect light and consistent moisture. What to plant with Neoregelia fireball. Neoregelia fireball pairs well with other low-maintenance plants that have similar light and water requirements. Consider combining it with other bromeliads, succulents, or orchids for a diverse and attractive display. Its vibrant colors can contrast beautifully with the greens and neutrals of other plants. Can you grow Neoregelia fireball indoors? Absolutely. Neoregelia fireball is well suited for indoor environments. Its compact size and bright color make it an excellent choice for bright rooms or as part of an indoor garden. Ensure it receives enough light and maintains the right humidity levels for optimal growth. Is Neoregelia fireball toxic? Neoregelia fireball is non-toxic to both humans and pets. It's a safe choice if you have children or animals around the house. Benefits of Neoregelia fireball. The primary benefits of Neoregelia fireball include its striking appearance, ease of care, and air-purifying qualities. It adds a splash of color to any space and requires minimal maintenance compared to many other houseplants. Common problems and solutions. Leaf browning. This can be caused by too much direct sunlight or inconsistent watering. Adjust the plant's light exposure and ensure it's not drying out completely between waterings. Root rot. Overwatering can lead to root rot. Ensure the potting mix drains well and allow the soil to dry out between waterings. Pest infestations. Regularly check for pests like mealybugs or scale. Treat infestations promptly to prevent damage. Comparing Neoregelia fireball with other bromeliads. Neoregelia fireball is often compared with other Neoregelia varieties, like Neoregelia fireball versus Neoregelia medusa. While Neoregelia fireball is known for its compact size and vibrant red foliage, Neoregelia medusa has longer leaves and a more subtle coloration. Both are excellent choices, but your preference may depend on the specific look you're aiming for in your space. In summary, Neoregelia fireball is a fantastic addition to any plant collection, thanks to its striking appearance and low maintenance needs. With proper care and attention, it will thrive and continue to bring vibrant color to your indoor or outdoor garden.